For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's daughter, Veena Vijayan, got hitched earlier today. Veena Vijayan married the National President of Democratic Youth Federation of India, the youth wing of the Communist Party. Veena Vijayan married Mohammad Riaz at Cliff House, the official residence of the Kerala Chief Minister in the state capital. The wedding was an intimate affair with very few guests. The wedding followed COVID-19 protocol with limited number of guests, and the attendees were asked to wear face masks and ensure social distancing at the event. This is the second wedding for both the bride and the groom. The first marriage of both Veena Vijayan and Mohammad Riaz ended in a divorce. After they announced their wedding plans, the couple also faced hate online, with some terming it love jihad. Pinarayi Vijayan's daughter Veena is the managing director of the IT firm Exalogic Solutions since 2014. The company is based in Bengaluru. Previously, Veena was the CEO of RT Technosoft, a Thiruvananthapuram-based company. Mohammad Riaz is the son of retired IPS officer PM Abdul Khader. He has been active in politics for the last few years. He started his career with the Students' Federation of India, after which he worked his way up in DYFY and is now the national president of the party. Riaz has also contested in the Lok Sabha elections in 2009. He had unsuccessfully contested against UDF's MK Raghavan from the Kozhikode Parliament constituency. The newlyweds will move to their residence in Karakuttam in the evening. Riaz has two children from his previous marriage, while Veena also has a son from her previous marriage. The marriage had already been registered recently, but the wedding ceremony took place now as the country was in a lockdown. Though it was a low-key affair, some senior party colleagues of the Kerala Chief Minister also attended the event. Wishes poured in from across party lines. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor also wished the couple on Twitter. He tweeted that love in the time of COVID carries a special joy.